Hey y'all, it's your girl here, Candy Faces MUA, and today we are gonna do something with this mug, honey. We are going to be adding some hair in today. We are gonna get us a little long ponytail today. So let me just unravel my hair. Ooh, carefully. I just had it in a twist. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, child. Let's get that unraveled. Okay, I had to put some oil on my hands and get that little knot out. Okay, but this is my hair. Y'all, I know I'm looking ratchet, y'all, ratchet. Let's see if we can put a stop to this ratchetness and add us a little ponytail in there today. And as the ponytail is long. Ooh, Lord. All right. And this is what my hair is looking like. Oh, wait, let me go get my water bottle back. I just want to saturate my hair a little bit. Ooh, it's cold. Right. Get this little brush. Gotta get them Eddie monsters of mine. Oh, that's when my hair came out a little from the braids I had. Came out a little, which I hate, but you know, sometimes you can't help that. I'm gonna use my Eco Style gel. This is the olive oil, one of my favorites, of course. Okay, if we can get it open, that'll be good. Jeez, that took forever. I had this little sticker on it. So I'm just gonna get some gel. Hopefully that gel doesn't fall. There. Gonna put it around the perimeters of my head and the back. Okay, I love this gel. I'm gonna take my little wooden brush. Brush it some. Okay. And I have a few hair ties here. They stretched out some. The key is we want to try to, ooh, I can get it good and tight like that. That would be awesome. Okay. And again, pull your hair through carefully. And 3, bam. Now I'm just gonna put this in a braid and in a little ball. Got my water bottle here. Yeah. Let me brush it. Started from the ends. Should have bought my comb over here. Let's braid this mug up. Hands are tired already. Just come up some. Running out of hair, so I'm taking some out of the other section, add to my section. Okay, I have another the twisty tie here. I have a bobby pin also, but I just put this on since it's here. Since it's here, you know. All right, now we're gonna do something with these edges, okay? You can get edge control gel. I'm just still using the gel since it's here. Do some with this one over here. Let's try to like that. Get one more little section over here. See if we can. Put some hairs on the side. Voila. Voila, magic. Voila, magic. So now I'm gonna put my little bandana on. Keep these edges flat. Wait, let's do that middle one again. Yeah, I want you to turn, honey. Turn like that. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna put this on like so. The top on this gel would waste everywhere. Okay, I have this, I don't know if you say, how you say that, MAYDE drawstring ponytail. I already took it out the little packaging part, but this is what it comes like. Okay, so let's take all this stuff off and I'm gonna go ahead and add it onto my head. I'm gonna take all these little things off. They just pop off easily like that. Okay, we have this little net and then a little tissue paper inside, of course. Take the net off. This is what it looks like. Pull the paper out. Okay, and of course, this portion I'm gonna put at the back. So let me get my little attachment here and loosen it up some. I'm gonna take that out too. All right, and so it's a comb at the top, a comb at the bottom. This bottom portion with the tag, I'm gonna put that at the back of my head. So here we go. Put this. Okay. Get my little drawstring attachment here and make it tight. Okay. Wrap it through there. And voila. Ooh, it's gonna be long. Ooh. I'm glad I decided to get black because I sure was thinking about getting another color. So I'm gonna keep the bandana on my head for a few minutes and we'll come back and get the final look. Ooh, girl, okay, looking like a racehorse on y'all, okay? Time for the big reveal. Ooh, and here we are, y'all. I like it, I like it. Super duper long. You can style it in different ways. I can go like here. You can put it all the way to the back, okay? You can rock that mug to the side. But I hope you all enjoy this look. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you hit that bell below, you'll be notified each and every time I upload, and I do appreciate all the love and support you guys have been showing me so far. I'll see you all on the next one.